Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of the Anabolic Foodie Show. In this channel, we'll be making tasty anabolic meals and snacks that will help you lose weight. We will also be doing and reviewing other people's anabolic recipes and basically doing anything in the fitness industry. These are replacement meals for the high calorie foods that will ruin your diet. That's what the anabolic diet does, guys. It's to satisfy your food cravings so you won't want a cheat meal. All of my recipes got low calories, high protein, and a lot of flavor. Most of my recipes got similar macros to the chicken, rice, and veggie meals. If you're eating chicken, rice, and veggies back to back and you do not get tired of it, this video may not be for you. More chicken, rice, and veggies for you. But for most of us, we're gonna get tired of it sooner or later, and we are gonna want that cheat meal. Don't get me wrong, if you follow the chicken, rice, and veggie diet, that diet works. But so is the anabolic diet. You have to follow it as well. I also notice when you eat the same thing every day back to back, that's when you start craving the cheat meals. If you're watching this video, guys, it's because we have one similar goal, and that's either to lose weight or to stay fit. Our goal is not to eat good, guys. Our goal is to lose weight. But the anabolic diet lets you eat as good as possible while still losing weight. The anabolic diet has a lot of recipes that will crush your cravings and not make you want a cheat meal. So in today's episode, we're gonna be crushing one of your pizza cravings with Anabolic Classic Domino's Pepperoni Pizza. Okay guys, let's get going. Okay guys, first things first, as always, get your food scale ready with the bowl. Okay guys, first ingredient, we're gonna need 120 grams of all-purpose flour. Okay guys, remember 120 grams. All right. Remember guys, 120 grams, okay? All right, 120. Okay guys, next ingredient, we're gonna need a whole packet of instant yeast rapid rice. Okay guys, remember the whole packet. Okay guys, remember the whole packet, okay? Dump it in there. Next ingredient, we're gonna need 6 grams of baking powder. Remember guys, 6 grams. All right. Remember guys, 6 grams, okay? Next ingredient, we're gonna need about 1 gram of salt, okay guys? About 1 gram. All right. Remember guys, about 1 gram of salt, okay? Next step, mix it well, and then we'll add our liquid, okay guys? Mix it well. Okay guys, get a 1/4 cup of water and add it in there. You're not gonna use it all. Just add little by little and then keep stirring until it gets manageable. Don't put too much water because it's gonna be too sticky. It's not gonna be manageable and you're gonna have to start all over or add more flour, which are gonna increase the macros. So just do it like this, and this is to have the best macros, okay guys? All right, let's go. Add little by little, okay guys? Then mix. See, with the amount of water, it will not mix more than that. So we're gonna add a little bit more. So just add little by little, guys. That should be enough, and then mix it again and see where we're at. And then just keep adding it, and then I'm gonna show you guys exactly how we want it. That way it could be manageable and have the best macros, and it's gonna be very amazing, guys. See, with the little amount of water we added, that's how it got to it. And then we're just gonna have to add a little bit more, and then it's probably gonna be done. So see how it's more doughy? All right, we just need a little bit more water and we're good. Remember, add a tiny bit, guys, okay guys? I think that's enough. I think we're good right there. We just keep mixing it, and that was the perfect amount of water, guys. And just add little by little, and then we're gonna get it to this. But see how it doesn't stick? But if you had added just a little bit more water, it would have been sticky. You wouldn't be able to manage it on the pan or nothing. So we're gonna set this bad boy for 45 minutes, okay? And okay guys, we are back. It's been about 45 minutes, and look how much it rose. It's like double the size. Okay guys, let's get to the next step. Next step, preheat your oven at 350 degrees. And don't forget to spray your pizza pan with oil spray, okay guys? Make sure you spray good, okay? All right. Okay guys, get your pizza dough and put it in the middle of the tray. All right. Okay, and evenly spread it out from the middle all the way out until you make a 13 or 14 inch pizza pie. Okay guys, 13 inch, I mean. All right. Okay guys, when you're finished spreading it out, it should be about 13 to 14 inches. And this is gonna go in the oven for 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Okay guys, remember 10 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 10 minutes and we're looking like that. So we're gonna start assembling the pizza and it's gonna go back in the oven for 20 minutes, okay? All right, let's go. Next ingredient we're gonna need is 350 grams of pizza sauce. Remember guys, 315 grams. All right, this is 315 grams already weighed out. Let's put it in the middle of the pizza and spread it evenly out and leave some room for crust, unless you don't like crust. All right, let's go. Oh man, this smells. Okay, we should look similar to that. It's not gonna be all perfect, you know, but I'm just trying to make it as evenly as possible. Okay, let's get to the next step. Next ingredient, we're gonna need 56 grams of mozzarella regular cheese. All right, remember 56 grams. And the next ingredient, we're also gonna need 56 grams of fat-free mozzarella cheese. Okay guys, remember 56 grams. Oh. And here are the 56 grams of mozzarella and the 56 grams of fat-free mozzarella. And what you gotta do is mix them all evenly. Make sure everything is mixed very, very well. And then we're gonna spread it evenly to the pizza, okay guys? Make sure everything's evenly, that way you can get cheese on every single bite and it'll be really, really good. Okay guys? All right, let's go. Try to make it as evenly as possible. All right. When you're done, it should look similar to that. And let's get to the next step. Next ingredient, we're gonna need 60 grams or about 30 pieces of this turkey pepperoni and spread it evenly to the pizza. Let's go. Okay guys, start spreading it evenly to the pizza. That way you get pepperoni in every single bite, guys. Okay? Okay guys, when you finish assembling it, it should look like similar to that, and it's gonna go back in the oven for 20 minutes. Okay guys? Remember, 20 minutes and we should be enjoying this pizza in 20 minutes. Okay guys, it's been exactly 20 minutes and we're gonna let this bad boy cool for 2 minutes and we're gonna try it out. But first, a word from our sponsor. Okay guys, it's time to try this bad boy out. I didn't show you how to cut it unless you want to make a video of how to cut pizza, but cut it in 8 different slices. And let's try one of these bad boys out. I already cut it, so I'll show you exactly what it tastes like. Well, I know exactly what it tastes like. It's really, really good, guys. This pizza is bomb. I eat it all the time and I stay fit. So, all right, let's try one of these bad boys out. And okay, let me put this over here and we'll try it out. Look at this pizza, guys. Oh my god, this pizza is so good, guys. Oh my god, I can't wait for you guys to try this bad boy out. Look how much pepperoni is in there, and when you hear the macros, you're gonna be like, no way that it has this low calories. All right. Guys, this does not taste like a diet. This pizza does not taste like a diet. It really doesn't, I swear. Make this pizza, you're gonna be like, nah, there's no way. You think you're eating regular pizza from like anywhere, from Dominos, regular pepperoni pizza. This pizza does not taste like a diet. I guarantee you guys that. Oh man, I'm so hungry. I haven't ate all day. I'm gonna finish this bad boy out. All right, let's go. Guys, oh my god, I can't believe this is a diet. You're gonna lose weight, gain muscle, and oh my god, and enjoy pizza. Oh my god, I cannot believe the anabolic diet is this good, guys. Please try these recipes out. Guys, we got a winner chicken dinner. Just kidding, no more chicken dinners for me. We're replacing the chicken dinners with pizza, and this pizza is to diet for. All right. Okay guys, if you guys eat the whole pizza exactly the way I made it, and it's 955 calories, 63 grams of protein, 26 grams of fat, 8 grams of fiber, and 120 grams of carbs. If you compare that to a Domino's pizza, the Domino's pizza is easily like 2,700 calories. You're saving a lot of calories for pizza. I can't not believe it myself, okay guys? And those macros are not too chubby if you ask me. Okay guys, if you just eat one slice, which I doubt because this recipe is so delicious and so low in calories, but if you just eat one slice, it's 119 calories, 8 grams of protein, 3 grams of fat, 1 gram of fiber, and 15 grams of carbs. It's gonna be like the potato chip. I bet you just can't eat one. And if you just ate one, it's because you did it wrong. Okay guys, please make this pizza. I know you'll love this pizza, but I know one thing that you like more than this pizza, and that's losing weight while eating pizza. Okay guys, please make this pizza and comment below how much you like the pizza, and also comment below how much weight you started to lose by eating these recipes, and I'll comment to everyone back. Okay guys, these recipes take a long time to make and they're hard to figure out. So if you want to support me, I do have this recipe on my cookbook, and I'll put a link in the description box below for purchase. If you want me to work on any specific recipe, please comment below and I'll work really hard on it. If you want to make more of my recipes, please check out one of my other recipe videos. Okay guys, remember, all the strong subscribe, share, like, and buy. Till next time, Manny out.